Bro, I just made an entire music video. No camera crew, no videographer, no film, nothing. Just a song and AI. It's unbelievable. This shit is either the future or the most slept on thing ever. We about to find out in this video. Now the website is called Freebeat AI. This is for anybody who makes songs. You're a rapper, you in there bothering your coworkers, or no matter what age you are, you in school, you out of school, you grown as fuck. I don't give a damn. You can make music videos with this tool. I made a couple. They're impressive, but I will tell you, it takes some time. Let's get into the computer. It's one of them tools that you're gonna have in the background on your computer while you're doing some work and let it just cook. It's still gonna be faster than any videographer you've ever worked with. I work with tons of videographers, cameramen, and they take a while. This shit does not. So let it cook in the background. It's gonna ask you hella questions. Let me show you. The website can't get any more simple. You see they got music videos, singing. There's a lot of stuff on here. Now, I will say I used this tool in the past, but bro, they revamped crazy. You can even make images, GPT-2, Nano Banana Pro, and 2. Bro, I didn't even know you could do all this. This is literally next level. They even have some probably integrations for Claude. We ain't come here for that. We come here to make a music video. So here you can see some of the examples they got on the page. The website is even better, bro. Like everything is better and you can't even scroll anymore. Every time you scroll down, it goes to the side, fire. And they claim they've helped over a million people. So look, these are your options. You literally paste your YouTube link here, your SoundCloud, whatever it is to your music video, or you can upload it. And these are the settings that they have at the bottom. So look, we're gonna walk through some videos and we're gonna do it together. So we'll upload our music. Now that takes you to this screen right here. You can type in what vibe you want and I'll show you what I use. But first we wanna pick our song. So the dope thing about this is even if you wanna just practice your editing skills, they have artists for you to pick from, bro. Tons of good songs on here that's already up. The Weeknd's music video, like this is crazy, bro. A lot of stuff up here. But what we're gonna click right here is upload music. Now, once you have your file, it's gonna decode, do what it has to do, process that baby, and then we're gonna pick what part of the song we want.
Ay, one cheek, left cheek, bad little freak. Money in my pocket, money in my wallet. Now I talk about a crypto fucking wallet. Money from making up on the side tips. Money is coming on my deposit. My bitch is bad, she from the tropics. Niggas looking at me like, damn, I can't stop this. Damn, I can't stop this.
All right, yes sir, you got the part of the video you want or the part of the music you want. And now this is where you come in and just describe the vibe of the song you want. So I'm gonna say, and so what I said with this one, I said it's an Afro beats type song, stoner rapper, Afro beats, whatever you want. And now you go here. If you wanna pick a specific character, you click this. Now, this is if you already have a picture you wanna upload. You got a picture of yourself that you made on Nano Banana. You can create a character and they have some stock stuff right here too. We wanna leave it 16:9 so it can go on YouTube. Everything 1080p, you dig me? You can go to style, captions, all that type of stuff, but we don't want that on. For this one, we're gonna click expert. We want it to be as best as we can get it. It's gonna be about 250 credits, and all I do is press create. Now here, you see it's gonna tell you right here. We wanna remind you that you don't even have to stay on this page. They'll notify you when it's ready. So you literally can go somewhere else. Now, I just want y'all to see it's going to be a lot of questions. As you see me scrolling and scrolling, but look, it's asking you these questions for a reason because it's giving you images to pick from. And now you're going to go through and say, you like this one, you don't like this one. You can put a thumbs up, thumbs down. I'm not going to lie, they added a lot of different stuff to this tool. And you can even see how many credits it's charging you as you go. All right, so look, we got our music video cooking. While it cooks, let me show you some music videos that it made for me with my songs. It's crazy, bro. I'm low-key impressed. Here go video one.
Shorty said she down to ride. I only wanted you and I. You told me we were Valentines, but between me and him there is no fucking tie. Fuck that shit, I got it. Ooh, money in my wallet. Ooh, where were you when I was broken? Had them empty pockets. Ooh, now I'm all in Philly, feeling like the fucking process.
It was fire. You see, we had the Philly flow. We had a little Uzi type character in there. I typed in, I want a little Uzi style character, and that was the pink hair dude. But bro, video number 2 is crazy. Look.
Counting a check for a count of my friends. I used to walk and now I count M's. Invest in my stocks and count dividends. Big ass house and a big ass Benz.
Yeah, do they even really love you, babe?
diamonds, look at my bank, keep climbing the charts, my stocks ain't tanking. When I walk by, your girl probably fainting. $10,000 for one damn painting. My mom got a crib, she keep rearranging. I moved her out to the south, her son got rich and got him some clout.
Yeah, we gon'
I interrupt this video to tell you, if you like what you're saying and you do want to use Freebeat AI, click the description, I got the link for you right there. Y'all let me know in the comments, was that fire or not? Bro, they had close-ups on the screen, rings, jewelry, all sorts of detail. It's just crazy, bro. All I did was type in one sentence that didn't even have full punctuation and everything. It's crazy what you can come up with. All you need is an idea, your song, and a tool. Gone are the days where you have to be in a luxury spot, go get an Airbnb, rent a hotel, have your friends, the videographer. You don't need that anymore, bro. And it's sweet. This is like imagining having a videographer in your pocket. No diddy. This is AI, and all you need is your song and your creativity. And of course, yes, I'm gonna show you the music video that we just made. Here it goes.
One cheek, left cheek, bad little freak. Money in my pocket, money in my wallet. Now I talk about a crypto fucking wallet. Money from making up on the stock tips. Money is coming on my deposit. My bitch is bad, she from the tropics. Niggas looking at me like, damn, I can't stop this.
Nah, that was crazy. So who would I be if I didn't take you out with a banger? You want this tool? Make sure you click the description below. They even got this new tool they told me to check out. It's called real-time music video generation. So I just uploaded a random song of mine, typed in this sentence or this prompt. I'm gonna press create. All right, boom. So as soon as you upload it, it tells you the BPM of your song, etc., etc., etc. Then you can go down here and pick whatever kind of video style you want. I clicked off a couple random options. Let's click, let's go.
For Benz, nigga, you trippin', she fucking your friends. I'm taking trips and they pay my expense. I'm giving you game, you not paying the cents. Talking about Gucci and paying them cents. Remember them days and I couldn't pay rent. Fuck it, I gave that shit up for Lent. I get this money again. I wake up, I know what to spend. You mad cause your life is grim. I'm lit in this world to sin. Check this coming dividend. My neck is cold like Michigan. You left out, you kill again. I'm ballin', they scrimmaging. I get this money again.
All y'all rapping ass dudes or anybody that makes songs, sings, raps, let me see what you come up with. Tag me when you make the content too so I can see what y'all make. You did.